Let's talk new construction. Today I am debunking a myth a little bit of new construction deals being so much easier than resale transactions in real estate, but also giving some clarity on why, regardless of if this home was built in 1910 or it's being built this year, we charge the same price for our contract close services. So I'm gonna go over 4 reasons for this in today's video. Reason number 1, depending on how far out we are in the build process, we will follow up accordingly. So we could be over a year out from closing. At that point, we're gonna be following up the builder at least monthly, and as we move closer, then bi-weekly and weekly to make sure we're getting updates for ourselves, our agent, the buyer, and also making sure everything's on track. In addition to this, if we're far out, we're starting from the ground up construction, the buyer may want to schedule phase inspections. So for example, after framing and after other significant milestones. In this case, we're helping to coordinate potentially 3 to 4 or more inspections during the transaction versus the typical 1 or maybe 2 we see in a residential resale transaction. Reason number 3, the same amount of follow-up is required for lender and the title company. Now, as I mentioned, we will follow up significantly more with the builder to make sure everything's on track, but when we're getting closer, we're doing the same amount of lender and title follow-up as we do on our residential resale transactions. And lastly, it's the same amount of compliance paperwork. So we are still reviewing all the documents, uploading them, making sure we have any buyer signed disclosures required by the brokerage, making sure everything's submitted and approved so you get that CDA for closing. So on our end, we are doing everything we normally do to support you, plus making some unique tweaks to make sure we have tailored it to the new construction process. So that's why our price is the same. It is a great value, so don't miss out. If you have a new construction deal, send it to us today.